Hey everyone, I'm going to show you just a quick tutorial on how to submit a assignment using media, because that's how you're going to submit your Antigone monologue. So here we have the home page, and this will probably look a little different at the time that you're seeing this, but for the sake of this video, here's our home page. I'm going to go over here to modules. I'm going to scroll down and find the current module that we're in, which is Greek theater, and then I'm going to click here on Antigone monologue performance. That will open up this box, and it says submitting a media recording. So all you have to do is click submit assignment and then scroll down, and it's going to have this box that says media, and then you would hit record/upload media, and then woo, hello, this is me. This is what you're going to look like. There's my little ring light. This is what you're going to look like in the screen, so you can see your volume going, and you can record your monologue with your mask on, and if you don't like it, you can redo it and then record it again. That's the beauty of doing a video submission. So when you were done recording, you would just upload it, and yeah, hopefully this helps you guys know how to do it. All right.